I bet Huey UH1s cannot do that, is it? Banking and attack angle of attacks. Man, I can tell you, absolutely, this helicopter has become a totally different animal with this new main rotor head. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to an outdoor flight of FlyWing Huey UH1 V3. This is not V4, it's the V3 Huey UH1. Now those who was wondering what is different in V3 and V4, well, you are looking at it. Right here, this main rotor head, which is now available to purchase separately. You can see they have added dampeners on that, okay, and a little flexy fly bar on top, okay. Very nice CNC metal rotor head though, okay, and a square blades with one more screw hole right on the blades here. So main hole and then another hole to, you know, install those dampeners. So the only thing different in V4 is this main rotor head, which has made really a big difference. So let's fly it and let's find out if we are still gonna have that dreaded ground resonance that actually crashes most of these helicopters. All right, all the satellites are locked. Now you have watched my previous flight of this helicopter here, and you have seen on the camera how terribly it was having those wobbles. It was getting into ground resonance and everything.
Engines are.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. Center throttle. That's where it used to get into the resonance, ground resonance. But look at that, mashallah. Beautiful. Nothing there. And we have liftoff. Lots of wind. Yeah, lots of wind, man. So I'm gonna put the tail in and put it slightly higher so no background for you. And you can see the position hold. It's much better, man. It's smoother than before, mashallah. Look at that. Let's fly it and see how it feels like with this new rotor head. I'm feeling slightly forward and backward oscillation, but could be the wind. Flying very well. Did I see the tail rotor stop just now? Nice, man, very nice. Now let's land it and see if it gets into ground resonance or not. All right, so I'm gonna land it here and switch off the engine. Look at that 100% improvement here, man, with this new main rotor. Those dreaded ground resonance, all those wobbles are completely gone. I want to test the other flight mode. So that was GPS flight mode you just watched. I'm gonna switch to ATT mode. All right. Yeah, look at that. That's my favorite flight mode, man. And what beautiful, mashallah, what a beautiful banking it has. Look at that. Now this rotor definitely has improved the flight performance to a whole new level, man. Look at that. That's a whole new level of flight performance here. Did I see that rotor stop? Tail rotor stops, man. I have set the pitches right. So let's just see if it switches to 3D mode. So this is the 3D mode. I bet Huey UH1s cannot do that, is it? I bet Huey UH1s cannot do that. 6G mode. More speed for you to fly it like you stole it. More banking and attack angle of attacks. Man, I can tell you, absolutely, this helicopter has become a totally different animal with this new main rotor head. You're watching it, people. You're watching it. You're looking at it right here. This is my same old Huey UH1 V3, which used to have a lot of wobbles and sounds and stuff, and wasn't this stable, which it has become now. All right, so 12 minutes. Does auto return to home work? I bet it does. So helicopter is rising and coming back. Right above my head. That's where it took off from. Most probably a slight deviation, which we are okay with, having to have GPS systems, and it's just landing all by itself. So all flight modes are working: 6G, 3D, ATT, GPS, and RTH. And the helicopter is absolutely just a different animal now. I'm loving it, man. I'm gonna fly it more. I'm definitely gonna fly it more, inshallah. So people, this is Huey UH1 V3 with new main rotor head, after which they're calling it Huey UH1 V4. Well, maybe a little bit of a different color scheme, but definitely things have improved a lot after this main rotor head upgrade. Have fun, stay subscribed, hit that little bell icon, turn on all the notifications, and let me know what else you would like to watch about the Huey UH1 V3/V4. Before I turn this video off, there is only one drawback of this main rotor head. Yes, I'm gonna leave it to you. Figure out what is the only drawback of this and put it in the comments. Let's see who will make the right comment, and we'll give him a shout out.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?